Dr. Bradley Tompkins, Clinical Director at Dr. Brad's Laser and Cosmetic Clinic in Bristol, where we deliver Harley Street standards at Bristol prices. I'm both an NHS GP and a highly qualified and experienced aesthetic medicine practitioner with an expertise in cosmetic dermatology. In this video, I want to talk to you about the Calecim skincare range, which is one of the few that I actually recommend. Calecim skincare products are used by people aged over 21 who wish to try to delay or reverse the signs of skin aging. Calecim products are unique in that they contain a specific combination and concentration of genuine human skin growth factors. Those growth factors have been patented and are only found in Calecim products. All Calecim products contain rejuvenating conditioned media, or RCM, which is a combination of growth factors, proteins and cell signalling molecules called cytokines that work together to promote the production of healthy new skin cells and a plump dermal and epidermal structure. At the time of filming, there are 4 core products in the Calecim range and are applied topically. These are, in order of descending concentration, Calecim Professional Serum, containing 80% human growth factors, Calecim Recovery Night Complex, containing 50% human growth factors, Calecim Professional Multi-Action Cream, containing 50% human growth factors, and finally Calecim Professional Restorative Hydration Cream, containing 40% human growth factors. All 4 of these premium high-end products can be used after in-clinic treatments, such as skin resurfacing. Similarly, they may also be used for routine maintenance in the prevention and treatment of aging skin in all racial skin types. I will talk you through how I recommend you use Calecim products after an in-clinic procedure, and then I'll talk about how you should use them for home maintenance. Immediately after a clinic procedure that has intentionally traumatised the skin, I apply Calecim Professional Serum to the treatment area. This is the strongest product in the range and is absorbed rapidly to reduce downtime by promoting healing for better results. At home, the patient can continue their regime by applying the serum morning and evening. Once it has dried, after a minute or so, the Calecim Recovery Night Complex can be applied. This nightly regime may be continued for 10 to 14 days. In the morning, after applying the Calecim serum and allowing it to dry, the Calecim Professional Multi-Action Cream should be applied and allowed to fully absorb. A layer of Calecim Professional Restorative Hydration Cream may then be applied if additional moisturising is required. If the person's going outdoors, a mineral-based sunscreen may then be applied. Calecim Professional Restorative Hydration Cream may be lightly reapplied as required for moisturisation throughout the day. Now to discuss how to use the Calecim products for routine home use. The Calecim Professional Serum may be applied once at night, after cleansing, for 7 days, then twice a day after gentle cleansing for 6 weeks, to give the skin an initial boost. In week 2, the multi-action cream may be applied after the serum every morning, and if the person is going outdoors in the sun, a mineral-based sunscreen may then be applied. Also, the recovery mask may be applied over the professional serum nightly for the next 5 weeks. Thereafter, it may be used twice a week at night, every 2 to 3 days for maintenance. The hydration cream may be used as a moisturiser every morning after application of the serum and or multi-action cream, and as often as required throughout the day. On nights when the recovery mask isn't applied, a high-quality retinol product may be applied instead. I'll post a graphical representation of this recommended treatment plan on my website. In summary, you've had an overview of the Calecim skincare range and how it's used to stimulate your skin for a more healthy and hopefully younger appearance. More scientific papers and peer-reviewed research on these products are in the publishing pipeline. You can read more about Calecim products at their official website, www.calecimprofessional.com. To find exclusive deals and savings on the Calecim range, please click the link to the relevant webpage in the video description below. If you want to get access to the Calecim range and my exclusive money-saving deals, but aren't able to attend in person for a consultation, free virtual consultations with me are available via video call to discuss your suitability for the Calecim skincare range before I can prescribe them for you. Home delivery options are also available. However, if you are now ready to book in with me for an initial face-to-face consultation, please call my secretary now on 07588 971 425, and I look forward to welcoming you to my laser and cosmetic clinic very soon.